What's up, guys? This is Not Your Ordinary Barber with N.Y.O Barbershop. Today I'm going to give you guys my top 5 things for beginner barbers to follow and to do. First off, number 1, I would say is keep learning. Just because you graduated barber school or just because you finished your apprentice program doesn't mean you know it all. This is an industry that's constantly changing. There's haircuts that are different. There's new techniques. There's tons of stuff out there to keep learning. So that would be my number 1 thing would be to keep learning. Number 2 would be to get an understanding as to what a customer wants. What I mean by that is you sit a customer in your chair and you drape them. You're about to give him a haircut. You ask him what kind of haircut he wants. Make sure that you and the customer both come to an agreement as to what exactly they want before you start cutting their hair. There's a lot of things out there to help you. There's pictures. You got a whole lot. You got a whole thing in your hand, man. You can go on your phone, look up different types of haircuts, and give them suggestions. And the same thing goes for customers. Customers, it's all very helpful for you to show your barber a picture of exactly the type of haircut you want. Number 3, I would say, is consistency. You get a customer in your chair, you give him a nice haircut, a good service the first time. He asks for your number, he makes an appointment with you, and he wants you to cut his hair the second time. Make sure you give that same exact service and that same exact thing to the customer the second time. And be consistent. Number 4, I would say, would be to network and market yourself. Not necessarily throughout social media. I'm talking about locally. Open an Instagram or Facebook page and reach out to people local in your area. I wouldn't be reaching out to people in other countries or other states because they're never going to get a haircut from you. Reach out to local people in your area that can come and get a haircut from you whenever they need. And the last thing I'm going to say, number 5, would be choose your barbershop wisely. What I mean by that is when you're ready to work in a shop, make sure you choose the right barbershop that you want to be in. If you choose a barbershop that's only by appointments and you got no customers, what the hell are you doing there? Who's going to make appointments with you? How are they going to find you? Put yourself in a barbershop that takes walk-ins. Put yourself in an area that's busy, somewhere where you can build clientele. Put yourself in a barbershop that you can follow the rules. Every barbershop has rules. Make sure that it's something that you agree along with the owner that you can follow. That's very important too. Make sure you're in a spot that you can vibe with the other barbers. I know that's something that may take some time to figure out between a person, but go by your gut. Go by your first impression. If you've got a good vibe in the shop, there's walk-ins. It seems like there's a good opportunity for you there. That would be the spot to go to. I would also say that not everybody wants to see you fail, so don't be afraid to ask somebody or ask another barber for help. There's a lot of people out there that want to help you succeed, they want to help you grow, and they want to help you get better. So don't be afraid to talk about it or ask for help. But those are probably my top 5 things. You guys be safe. I'm going to drop another one soon. Thanks. Peace.